Hello everybody, welcome to Utsav Yoga channel, and today we'll be doing a 10-minute yoga practice that we can do it right before we sleep. These yoga postures will not only help you to relax but also give you a sound sleep and rejuvenate you and energize for the next day. So let's begin. So for the first posture, I want you to come right in the center of your mat. You can do this practice right over your bed as well. And if you have a mat, you can just roll out your mat and do this practice over your mat as well. The choice is yours. So in this position, bend, you have to come on your knees. Try and get your hips to the heel. In case it's very difficult for you to get the hips to the heel, you can place a pillow underneath your ankle here. Inhale, get your hands up. Exhale, slowly go down. Rest your hands on the ground, stretch and hold in this posture for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back up. You can also, if it is difficult for you to go down all the way, you can place a pillow right in front of you, and again inhale. Exhale, you can place your hands over here and slowly just rest your forehead on the pillow and relax. Just inhale and exhale, relax your head and focus on your breathing. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back up. Now from here, again I'm going to show you with the pillow and without the pillow. Now from here, join the soles of your feet together. Join the sole of your feet together and simply just lie down on the ground with your hands over your thighs, or you can keep it on the ground or over your bed, and just relax in this reclining bound angle position. Hold, inhale and exhale from your stomach. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. You can stay here for as long as you want. Now I'm going to show you a variation with the pillow. So you can just get the pillow right underneath your backbone. Inhale, get your hands up. Exhale, simply just lie down on the pillow and keep your hands on the side. Inhale and exhale and hold this posture for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Just try and understand whichever posture makes you feel more calmer. You can do that one. You can do it without the pillow or you can do it with the pillow. For the next posture, I would remove the pillow. I would come into the downward dog position. Try and push your shoulders towards the ground. Hold in this posture. Now get your right leg up, bend your knee and get it in the front. Make sure you center your position, do not fall on one side, center your hips. Now again, from here, inhale, get your hands up, exhale, stretch your hands in the front. Hold in this posture for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back up, and now with the pillow I'm going to show you how we will be doing this. So again, you come into the downward dog position. Push your chest towards the ground.
Get your right leg up, bend your knee, get it in the front.
Center your hips nicely and distribute your weight. Inhale, get the pillow a little closer to you. Exhale, rest your head over the pillow and relax in this position. Relax here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. We'll be doing the same way on both the sides. So let's do it on the left now.
Get the right leg behind, come into the downward dog position. Inhale, get the left leg up, bend your knee, get it in the front.
Center your weight, center your hips. From here, instead of getting your hands up, you can also walk your hands
and rest your forehead on the ground. Hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up,
and now let's do it with the pillow.
Get the leg behind, come into the downward dog position. Get your left leg up, bend your knee, get it in the front.
Center your weight, center your hips. Extend your hands in the front. Place your forehead on the pillow and relax.
Hold in this posture for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Slowly come back up
and relax.
The next posture that we're going to do is legs up the wall. So if you have a wall, that will be an added advantage. In case you do not have the wall, you can just keep your legs in 90 degrees. I'm going to show you the same. So just lie down on your back. Nicely stretch your legs. Inhale and get your legs up. If you can hold this posture, very good. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The same thing you can do it with the pillow underneath your sacrum. So you can place the pillow right underneath your sacrum. Slowly go down, and from here keep your hands on the side, get your legs up. It will just give you a support and just make it more comfortable for you. And you can hold in this posture for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, you can do this with the wall. You can place a pillow somewhere here. You can keep your hips on the pillow and get your legs up. And relax in this position for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Very slowly come back down. Now lie down on the with your back facing the mat. Adjust yourself. You can remove the pillow from here. Extend both the legs together. Keep your right feet over your left knee. Hold with your left hand, hold the right knee and push it down towards the left side. Extend your right hand by your side and look towards the right. Hold that posture for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. Just make sure you do not get your shoulders up from the ground. Let's do it on the right side. So keep your left feet over your right knee. Hold the knee with your right. towards the right side and look towards the left. Hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can repeat this for 2 more times and then just bend your knee, hug your knees nicely, hug yourself, show some love towards yourself. Release if there is any tension over your lower back, and then gently release. Straighten up your legs, palms facing the ceiling, and relax into Shavasana. Focus on your breathing, abdomen breathing. Relax your shoulders, relax your face, relax your abdomen. With your breath, try and relax each and every part of your body. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you so much for practicing it with me. Let us know in the comments how do you feel about the practice, and let us know what next video would you like to see. Thank you so much.